In this video, I'm going to show you how to restrict people who have your email address from finding you on X, formerly Twitter, in just a few quick steps. This is a simple privacy setting, but it can make a big difference if you want more control over who can discover your account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. Click on More to open the additional menu options. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of the account, security, and privacy controls. Next, click on Privacy and Safety. On this page, you'll see several options related to who can interact with you and how your account can be found. Now click on Discoverability and Contacts. This section controls how people can discover your profile through contact information like your email address or phone number. Here, find the option that says, let people who have your email address find you on X. All you need to do is toggle this setting off. Once it's disabled, people who have your email address will no longer be able to find your account through that method. That's it. The setting is now updated. It's a quick privacy change, but it can help make your X account a lot more private and less searchable through your contact details. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials for social media tips and account privacy settings.